In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the equation and slope of a trend line using Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful for those of you working with data and needing to analyze trends or predict future outcomes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. This might seem basic, but having your spreadsheet open and ready is the first crucial step. It's important to ensure that your data is properly laid out, usually in two columns. One column will typically represent your independent variable, such as time, while the other will be your dependent variable, like sales figures. Now, direct your attention to cell D2 within your spreadsheet. It's here that you'll enter a formula to compute the slope of your trend line. In D2, type the formula equals slope, open parenthesis, B2 colon B13, comma, A2 colon A13, close parenthesis. What this formula does is use the slope function to calculate the slope of the data range B2 to B13 and A2 to A13. This is essentially the measure of how your responsive variable changes with the independent variable. After typing this out, simply hit the Enter key. Your slope should now appear in cell D2, providing a foundational insight into your data trend. Next, navigate back to Sheet 1 by clicking on it. This will usually return you to the main worksheet where your data resides. It's in this sheet where we'll create a visual representation of the data through a chart. Once there, find and click on the Chart option. This will open up a chart editor that will allow you to customize your data visualization. Click on Edit Chart to modify the details as per your requirements. In the chart editor, switch to the Customize tab. This tab gives you access to a variety of options to tailor your chart's appearance. From here, proceed to click on Series. Under this setting, you'll find options related to the data series of your graph. Within the series options, click on Trendline. Adding a trend line provides a straight line that best fits your data points, making it easier to observe trends over the data range. Lastly, you'll want to enable the equation of the trend line. Click on the option Use Equation, and you'll see the mathematical representation of your trend line displayed on the chart. This equation not only provides the precise slope and intercept values, but also serves as a predictive tool for estimating future values in your dataset. And there you have it. Navigating Google Sheets to find equations and slopes of trend lines can be straightforward and empowering.